Alright, figured I better make a video on the refresh of the old 460 here. I've been on this project for too long, trying to get back at it. That's one of the heads over there. What I'm working on right now is just trying to get everything cleaned up. Got all the pistons there. Got the first one all nice and scrubbed down, fixing to start on the second one. And I was like, you know what, I should make a video. Got all my rod bearings and main bearings and everything. I gotta get some piston rings and whatnot still yet. But I got a lot of cleaning to do before reassembly. The before and after. Then there again, a lot of cleaning. I'll get this engine compartment all cleaned up and put back together. Lots and lots and lots to do still. The good old outdoor garage, everything keeps rusting. It's like a battle, constant battle to keep everything oiled down. But yeah, that's where I'm at on this so far.